And what up? Alright, what's good with everybody? New day. Last night when we left the shop, I didn't really get on it too much, and I wanted to wait till it was kind of daylight outside. But I did like 2 pulls yesterday. One pull was good, and then the other pull, on the gauge, it was showing that it was over boosting. Car had like a boost cut or whatever. Before I got ready to leave, I decided to check the wastegate lines, and look at what we have here. Wastegate line popped off, so that's why we hitting boost cut. All right, so now that that's fixed, let's see if we can get, or let's see how this shit does in full boost. This should have fixed the, for sure fixed the boost cut, because on the gauge it was reading hella inconsistent on how much we were over boosting. But yeah, this gauge helped out a lot because it was actually showing like real time what was going on. It was flashing like boost cut, like warning signs and all kind of shit. So this gauge is fucking dope. It's literally like a failsafe to where it shows you exactly what's going on with the ECU. But yeah, let's see if we can put this power down real fast.
You ready, nigga?
Nah, nigga, I ain't ready, nigga. Don't you do nothing crazy in this. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Let's do it. Yeah, that motherfucking hook.
See if we get some get a little bit of room, and we're about to see if we can actually hook third. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can put this shit down. This shit is nasty now, bruh. Holy.
Look how fast we just made it to that goddamn light. God damn.
This shit is way faster.
Even in fourth, this motherfucking slid.
That wasn't even, nah.
That wasn't fourth?
That was third still. Like, we didn't even get into fourth.
Oh my God.
Bruh, you know what fourth was on the dyno? Fourth was 140 mile/hour wheel speeds, bruh.
Wow.
If we punch it though, we'll fry the fucking tires off.
That shit crazy. To be on street tires and hooking like that.
Yes, I expected to spin second, but
yeah,
with this power hooking third, that's pretty good. Spin third that time. That shit's stupid.
Man, that's not even all the way to the floor.
Nah, that was me kind of trying to keep it from flooring. Like,
yeah.
I'm still like hella nervous on flooring third because I don't know when it will and won't spin.
Yeah.
So we came here to get some E85, and then I noticed this guy at the pump right here. Sleeper. When's the last time y'all seen one of these? This is a sleeper. Aaron didn't know what this was. He would have been one of them dudes that ran up and got gapped viciously. Like, what's that? It don't look like nothing. Like, bruh, this is a sleeper, bruh. I haven't seen one of these in years. And when I seen this man getting E85, I already knew it had some sauce. Yeah. Look how clean this is. Evo interior, wet. This is a dope build. Can I show them the engine bay if you don't mind?
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that. Fucking sleeper, bruh.
Everything's black and ceramic coated too for heat.
we at Hex Garage. My boy George, been knowing George for hella years since I blew up, probably like my 3rd SR. So, been knowing George for a good minute. And now George has a shop, he does all his wiring stuff. Getting the gauge in, we're about to get the gauge in, that way oil pressure is all displayed on the BTI gauge. So, I want to have it all on there, so yeah, George is about to pin all that in. So yeah, shout out to George at Hex Garage. See him. I don't think y'all have ever seen this fucking spider web of a mess of a harness I have right here. Luckily we have a cover that covers all this shit up, but it is fucking sketch. And yeah, George already kind of found we have a ground issue with the sensor wiring to the AEM, so hopefully he can fix that, and then we'll be back in the game. So I came over here to my cousin's. I was gonna give her husband a ride, but I guess he while I'm waiting for him, he said he followed on or he watched all the vlogs and stuff on YouTube. So I was sitting here chopping up with this man, and yeah, I asked him if he wanted a ride. So I guess we got a ride along coming right here. You're actually, other than my partner Aaron that was in the car, you're the 2nd person that felt the new power. So is you ready, bruh?
Yeah, we're ready.
First, before we go, what's the fastest car you rode in?
My dad's truck, 4150, probably like 250 horsepower.
That's the fastest car you've been in?
Yeah.
This should be good. So now you have a new fastest car you've rode in. Guess what? That was the low boost setting.
Oh shit.
Alright, here we go. This is the high boost setting now. You see the difference between the high and the low? Alright, we should have open road right here. Bam, there you go.
Hell yeah.
Now you had a ride in there, see?
I liked it. It was fast.
For sure.
Hell yeah.
Where the fuck did my phone go? You stole my phone, nigga? Don't lie, nigga. Don't be lying, nigga.
I saw that shit right here.
Look, nigga, stealing my phone.
Hell nah.
Give niggas rides and they try to, it fell in his pocket.
When you started burning it out.
That nigga, he tried to steal my phone.
Hell nah.
For sure, it's good, bro.
Right, thank you.
It's all good. Make sure you don't skip ads.
I won't.
Alright, so they're right behind me pulling up. I'm about to give my my cousin's husband a ride. But I'm about to make him hold it because the mounts and shit are hella shaky. I don't know what mounts people are using, but yeah, I can't seem to get a right mount to keep this shit from shaking and sounding all fucked up. So yeah, I'm sorry for that last one, but this shit right here, this one right here, I'm for sure about to make him hold the just make him hold the camera. That way it's not. So yeah, let's get him in the car.
Oh, shit.
Is you ready?
I don't know, man.
You gotta get in. Camera already rolling. Plant that thing in there.
Alright, let's do it then.
Look, he over here wishing it didn't start.
That's right.
So your job is gonna be to hold this camera.
Alright.
Do not let my camera fly out the window.
Do I need to strap up or anything?
Yeah, you definitely need to strap up.
Alright, let me do that then.
Alright, let me make sure we're on the high power setting.
Oh shit, like you said.
I just gave a little dude a ride. He was he watched all the vlogs and stuff, and he seen me, and he came up and said he wanted well, I asked him if he wanted a ride, so I just gave him a ride just now.
No shit.
But I forgot to hit the high power button at first.
Oh wow. Should I lean my seat up? Am I alright?
You can lean it up.
I want to feel them G's.
You gonna feel the G's for sure. It's a button. It's an electric button.
Oh, okay.
You don't see the button?
I'm pushing it.
Nah, you gotta hold the button forward. It'll start lifting up.
2 little buttons on the side?
It's one button.
Okay. Let me
One
see.
furthest to the back. Should lift your seat up for you. Still don't see it?
No, I got the lever.
Ah, it's a button.
Oh, that just went
yeah.
back.
It's literally an electric button back there.
Okay, is it on the side?
Yep, it's right there on the side.
I gotta feel 2 little buttons.
Yep, the one that's straight
Oh,
up.
I see it. I got it now. I got it. All right, let's do it.
Keep going. You good like that?
Yeah, I think I'm good like this. Oh, I can feel it already.
Hold the camera out. Yeah, you gotta get both of us.
We in there?
Yeah, we good?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Hello. Gotta teach how to right there.
Oh, perfect. Okay. All right, here we go.
All right, so I ask everybody. So, what's the fastest car you rode in?
Whew. Probably a Vet.
How much horsepower?
ZR1.
A ZR1?
Yeah. That's probably the fastest car I've been in.
All right, cool. We're about to make this your new fastest car.
I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. This shit's gonna be crazy. What'd you tune in last night? What'd you tune in now?
It's right now the tune we're on is 25 pounds. So this is the right now to the floor.
Woo. All right. You sure you want to do this?
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, I told you I was gonna give you a ride in it.
You did. You did. I wasn't expecting this soon though.
Told you, as soon as I get it back, you'll get a ride.
Man, I wasn't expecting it like tonight. Man, I thought you still had a couple more days out there with it. All right. Shit. Shit. Woo. Got to be more careful. God damn. Woo.
Now, didn't I tell you there's levels to fast?
Yes, you did. I just found the new level.
There's a difference between factory fast and build fast.
Exactly.
Like a new Vet, it's fast.
Right.
This, like, oh, you fast.
Yeah,
fast.
this is nasty fast.
And just think, that was still with us spinning third. We were spinning. I was just staring through it.
Wow, are you serious?
Yeah, we were spinning back there hard.
God.
Hey, you can't be no punk though. You can't lift. No lift.
No lift.
No lift.
What you mean?
We stay floored.
Okay.
We stay floored.
Wow-wee. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it. Woo!
It's a car people would least expect to be this fast.
Man, and this thing is like grabbing.
Yeah, the thing that people don't understand is even though it's spinning,
right?
These tires are wide enough and they have enough grip to actually still hook.
I see.
So it's like it's spinning, but it's still
straight,
going.
Right. Woo wee. Got to be more careful. Damn, this thing got juice. Man.
Just think, this is dialed back from what the initial when we had it.
Man.
So the actual tune is
okay.
But right now we dumbed it down to like 25 pounds. So right now it's sitting at like.
Wow.
But the full is like would have just been blowing off third. But right now it's like it's manageable.
Right. Woo! This has got plenty of juice.
Yeah, it's fast.
This is hella fast. I had no idea. I had no idea.
Oh, I think I blew it up.
Are you serious?
I'll drain the oil and see.
Oh, okay.
Hey, if it is, that gives me an excuse to build a block.
Okay. The only thing you did was just put the heads on this thing, right?
Yep, just build head.
Wow.
Just hear a little rattling.
Yeah.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.